Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlene. Again, as I mentioned in my videos before, that I am not a professional nail tech certified, and today I'm going to show you how I remove my existing Nexgen. So I have this on for more than 2 weeks now, and it still looks good. Usually Nexgen dip powder lasts for like 3 to 4 weeks. They don't chip, they just grow, and today I'm gonna remove them. So let's get started. Just gonna turn on my e-file. I'm using this flame shape coarse drill bit. So let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna start with this finger. Put some more light. Okay. Let's see. As you can see, usually it takes like 20 to 30 minutes or more to remove the existing Nexgen because I have a very long nail. These are my real nails. So let's start. Also, one more thing, when removing this one, you don't want to, touch the natural nails. You'll just remove, like 80% of it, and the 20% we're going to remove it later with acetone. So let's finish this. Okay, so I think this is like I removed like the 80% of it, and I'm gonna finish this off with acetone. So let's move to the other fingers. Okay, that is done. Now I'm just gonna do my right hand, and we're gonna finish this off with putting acetone, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm almost done with my both hands, and I'm gonna start putting acetone. Okay, so we're gonna start putting acetone on my nails, and it took me maybe 30 to 40 minutes to e-file all my nails. It takes time because I'm just doing it by myself. So I have here foils and cotton balls and acetone. I got this acetone from Kroger. You need to use 100% acetone, or it will take you forever to remove this Nexgen. So let's get started. First, I actually divide this cotton ball because it's too big. Usually I divide them into 4 or 5. Let's see. Okay, so just 3. Forgive me about my background noise. It's my dog trying to get into the office. Okay, so there you go. I need 10. Okay, I think one more. That will be enough. So put them aside, and I pour the acetone on the cup. And I just dip the cotton ball in here. And before that, I'm gonna take one of these foil, put this here on my pinky, like this, and put the acetone there and fold it tightly, like that. And since I'm just doing this by myself, I'm gonna do one as well on the pinky on my right hand. Like that. I'm gonna fold this foil. So I'm gonna cover each of these nails. Okay, there you go. All nails are covered with acetone, and I'm gonna wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been more than 10 minutes, and I'm gonna start removing this. Okay, so I'm done. This is how you e-file and remove your Nexgen.